Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I already have my mask on because I've got a lot to talk to you about today. I'm wearing the crown because of this mask. I got this mask from Facetory. This says NMF, I'm not sure what does that mean, National, I don't know, HRH, Her Royal Highness is what I'm used to with crown stuff. This is Royal Crown Mask, Royal Triple Moisturizing Essence. So I thought it would be fun to wear with the mask. Now this is truly a Korean mask. Look at the back, and there's hardly any English, but I do see it says 10 to 20 minutes. But it's all in Korean, but it's showing you how it's going to help your skin. So y'all, I want y'all to know I do masks fairly regularly, at least 3 a week. I don't save them because of the essence and stuff. I'm not going to take time to wash this all out, and I just don't want any bugs. Here in the South, there are a million bugs. So I'm going to show you some empties. And then I also wanted to talk to you about the autism awareness collab that is going on right now. So I do want to show you this. This is something that I got. I believe I got these in my silver swag, and they were just so delicious I have to share it with you. I usually don't keep food packages either, but this is Laurel Rosemary Garlic Hazelnuts. So hazelnuts, usually when we have hazelnuts, they're sweet. They're going to be sweet. If they're just plain hazelnuts, you know, they're not, but if they have chocolate on them or something, you know. This had rosemary and garlic. These were fantastic. If you ever get a chance to try these are Oregon grown hazelnuts. Really delicious. I really enjoyed it. I did get this. I'm pretty sure I got this from Ipsy. I think it was something they chose for me. This is a metal tube, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well. It's called the Feelist. And this is it says Juice Shot Smoothing Facial Polish. Y'all, I used it, but I did not like it on my face. It was too coarse. I felt it was too coarse for my skin. Now, you know, everybody's going to be different about that. I used it on my neck and on my chest and on my legs to use it up, but I didn't care for the consistency of it on my on my skin, on my face. I hope that makes sense. I always have dry shampoo that I'm done with. This is the Plump for Joy, Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Orange Mango scent. Love it. I really like this brand, Not Your Mother's, because it's the most reasonable one I have found that I like. There are some that are cheaper, whatever, but not that I like. Most of the ones I like are more expensive, and that's a reasonably priced one. And then I don't always remember to save these things, but this is from Bath and Body Works. Just one of my favorites is the Sweet Clementine. And you know, they change up stuff all the time. Who knows if they even have the Sweet Clementine anymore. But I love the tangerines and the citruses. I love the citruses. And I have this Allure. These were coconut cleansing towels. There were 30 in here. And I don't remember where I got this. But y'all, I did not care for these. And I think it might be, there's no date on it. I don't know if they were old, but they seem sort of dried out. So they didn't really work very well. And when I got past the middle, then they were a little bit better. So I don't know if there was air in there or anything. I don't know, but I didn't care for them. And I usually like the Allure brand. So that was a bit disappointing. I have some little minis. I got a bunch of minis, as y'all know, back in the advent calendars. We get a bunch of minis. And I've been using them. I have given some away, but I've used some of them as well. This is Origin's Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. This was a soothing treatment lotion, it says, but it was very thin like a toner. I used it like a toner, and I can't say very neutral. I'm very neutral on it. Did it do anything for me? No. I have this cute, what is this? Strivectin brand. Cute little thing. This is a tightening neck cream. This was very nice, creamy, very nice. It doesn't have a scent to it. There was a good bit in there, you know, but I did use it on my neck, and it was very nice. I liked it. Would I buy it again? Not really, because I have so many moisturizers. I just, when I do my skincare, I always include my neck and this area, so always. So I also got, this is from Drunk Elephant, looking for the, yeah, Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini Polypeptide Cream, and also very nice little cream. Loved it. You know, used it all up, and just a nice cream, a nice moisturizing cream. And then I have the CEO, the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow. Absolutely love this. This was yellowish orange in color. There's some of the color there, and it smelled very earthy. It still smells very earthy. This is a good size container compared to some of the other ones. You know, it's a little bit bigger, and I felt like I got good use out of it. I like the Sunday Riley skincare products, and the CEO. I've used the CEO line before. This Afterglow, this is the first time I had it. I liked it a lot. This is something that I got. I actually won a while back. I won some items from Instagram, and they were Derma E brand items. This is the Universal Cleansing Balm, and it does take a while to get through it, but this, I did use it all, and I love this. This, you know, a cleansing balm is very thick, like it's almost waxy, but it doesn't feel waxy. I mean, the consistency is that, but it doesn't stay, you know, like waxy stuff would stay on your skin. It's to cleanse your makeup, and most helpful with your mascara and eye makeup. I really enjoyed this. It smelled fabulous. It smells citrusy. I love it. Very, very good product. The Derma E is an excellent line of skincare. Love it, love it. And then I have these Mighty Patches, and I don't use the blemish patches so much. I do have, this came just as this little 6-pack, just one, and I don't remember where I got it. Maybe even as far back as Glossy Box. I use this once in a great while. Did it help me? Not that I could tell. I know that some of y'all really like them, but not that I could tell. Most of the time I give these away, but I kept one for myself to try. And then this one is supposed to be, this is the same brand, Mighty Patch, and this is supposed to be for dark spots. And I read the directions. I did exactly what it said. And I have this dark spot like right here. And of course it's still there. If it made any difference, I didn't see it. I don't know if it's something that you'd have to use all the time. This was like, I think you were supposed to use it every other day. Repeat every 2 to 3 days, yeah. And this patch had like little micro needles that you pressed in. I didn't see any difference. So, but there were 6, so I used it, it ended up being 2 weeks or so. And maybe if I use it every other day for the rest of my life, it would help. I don't know. Anyway, okay, on to the Autism Awareness Month is April. And I did a Mask Monday on April 3rd, as did Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More. They are the hosts of this collab. There are, it's come down to 23 channels now. There were 24, one had to drop out, and that's okay. We've got a lot of representatives. We have all done a different video to tell you what we know about autism, maybe some facts, maybe story about our family members, things like that. And Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More is the host. And April 3rd, they did a wonderful video. Chloe is autistic and talks a lot, very openly about it. And then Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. Amber has Noah. He is autistic, and she talks about his going to school for the first time. And Teresa Starship is on the spectrum, and she talks about that. And then Kim's Happy Place and Life with Christine and myself. The 6 of us were April 3rd. So go back and see our videos. I do have I will put it in this video. There is a playlist, but of course, you know, you'll see there will be some videos that are not open yet because they haven't come around yet. April 3rd has been shown, of course, April 10th, and today's April 17th. So those videos will come. We didn't have a set time, so these videos will come out sometime during the day. April 10th, we had Katie's Corner of the World, Beauty After 50, which is Gloria, JM Unboxing and More, which is Johanna, and then her son Noah has autism. Glitzy Gem, which is Stephanie, Emily D, and I Martinez, which is Itzel. That was April 10th. And then April 17th, coming out today, is Lori's Life, Bonnie's Bargains, Beautifying MZ, which is Mary, Chelsea K's Creations, which is Chelsea and Bella, Simply Southern Belle's Vlogs, which is Brandy, and Unique Beauty, which is Trish. Their videos will come out sometime today. Give them a little break in case they're a little behind, maybe tomorrow, okay? And then next week, we have Faye Blanchard, Single Mom Review, Real Lady Electrician, which is Crystal. I'm sorry, Single Mom Review is Sherry, and Taylor Marie's Journey, and Sweet and Sassy Sarah. So I will name them all each Monday so that you can go find them. And again, the playlist will be in my video for you to go see. And they will have the playlists in their videos as well. But we've all learned so much about autism, and this is the 3rd year going on this collab. And it's been very beneficial. You all have been so positive about it. I have a giveaway going on with mine, and that will run through the whole month. So go back and check my video. I'll put it below so you can see it. Again, it'll be in that playlist also. Go check everybody's videos out. Some are doing giveaways and some are not, but it's really good information to learn about autism. Even though I've been in this is my 3rd year, I'm still learning, and I will always be learning because there's always so much to learn about about autism. The spectrum is a wide range, and there's each person that has autism is really very individualized as to what their concerns are. It's very, very interesting. So anyway, y'all go check them out. And thanks for stopping by to see my Mask Monday. And I hope that you're doing something somewhere in this week. Take yourself 20-30 minutes to just take care of yourself. Do a nice sheet mask, you know, make yourself feel a little pampered. It'll help in your everyday life to take care of your family and your work or whatever you do, okay? Smudge is so naughty, y'all. He keeps looking up at that china cabinet. He's been up there, but he about gives me a heart attack when he jumps up there. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Smudge, you want to say goodbye? All right, bye-bye, y'all.